think the north of England is incredibly significant to the wider life sciences proposition in the UK. In fact, if the north was a country in itself, it would have the 10th largest economy in Europe. And about a third of the life sciences activity that's happening in the UK is already happening in the north. So we're starting on a really good footing for life sciences. I think one of the challenges is going to be making sure that we sell the north as a life sciences location when we're talking to the rest of the world, because the UK has so many life sciences strengths, particularly in the Golden Triangle, that sometimes we have to fight a little bit harder to make sure that those strengths in the north are equally recognised. I think the development of life sciences is absolutely critical to the levelling up agenda. I mean, in general, science and tech is really important to the UK's economic growth as a whole, and the government is recognising that through the Science and Tech Framework that was published earlier this year, which is setting like a systems level approach to the UK's science and tech and how we can really use it to galvanise across the economy. It set out a few critical technologies where we need to focus our efforts, but in particular, life sciences is one of the sectors that we need to prioritise. And we're doing so much to build on that through the life sciences vision that was published in 2021. But we need to do more to make sure that it's equally represented across the country. I think in order to create a successful life sciences proposition in an area, it's really critical that areas focus on the strengths that they already have. So looking at the anchor institutions that they have in terms of research institutions, the skilled space of both students, but also career professionals in life sciences who can contribute to the cluster's growth. And also thinking about connectivity and where they can join up to other places that have complementary strengths and working together in a collaborative way to grow those clusters. I really think that the different life sciences clusters can and should absolutely be collaborative rather than competitive. I think one of the ways to do that is, as I mentioned, focusing on strengths is important, and often you need to take that the next level down. So it's like, what are the life sciences subsectors where your area or cluster particularly has a strength? How can we draw on those and enable collaboration? A lot of the innovation that's going to be happening in life sciences in the next 10 years is really going to be in those interdisciplinary areas where it cuts across into applications for NHS uses or for technology and artificial intelligence. So we really need to be looking for those opportunities and using them as opportunities for collaboration.